Good day and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on this chassis that belongs to that cab over there. That's my old 80 series. So we're going to start that project over there and strip down the axles. I already cleaned the top of the chassis. The chassis was sandblasted. You'll be seeing that in the video in a minute. Yeah, so I'm going to give you another clean on the top there with a wire brush. It's been sandblasted. I've got a mini sandblaster over there. So take the axles and put the chassis on the stands, and probably I will be painting the chassis today and strip the axles tomorrow and paint them tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be back soon with the video. Now the chassis is on the stands, axles are on the side. Start cleaning, take some of the brackets off. The mount, the two rear mounts needs to be removed and cleaned. Give you another clean over there, here. Mask that off, or maybe just this pipe. Mask the pipe. This is going to be painted black, cleaned up as well. Yeah. Ready to go. Can't wait to get the axles done and put everything back together. It's amazing. Chassis is done. It's all painted.